What is Facebook Ads Manager? Ever wonder how businesses show their ads on Facebook and Instagram? Well, it's all thanks to Facebook Ads Manager, a powerful tool that helps you run ads to the right people at the right time. So, what exactly is Facebook Ads Manager? Facebook Ads Manager is a tool that allows businesses to create, manage, and track their ads on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. It gives you full control over targeting, budgeting, ad formats, and performance tracking, all in one place. Imagine this scenario. You're a local bakery owner. You make amazing cupcakes, but only people who walk by your shop know about them. Now, you want to reach people who are interested in cupcakes but live far away. You don't have the money to advertise on TV or print big flyers. Here's where Facebook Ads Manager steps in. How does it work? Create an ad. You open Facebook Ads Manager and create an ad for your bakery. Target your audience. You can choose to show your ad to people who live in a specific city, are interested in desserts, and love sweet treats. Set your budget. You decide how much you want to spend. It could be $5 per day, or $50 for the week. You control your budget. Track performance. After your ad goes live, you can see how many people clicked, liked, or shared it. You can even track how many cupcakes you sold through your ad. Ready to get started with Facebook ads? Just jump into Ads Manager and start creating your ad today.